When you think about safety, few brands carry the reputation of Volvo, and the new Volvo EX60 pushes that legacy even further. But Volvo engineers also plan for the worst-case scenario, when a collision with a solid object cannot be avoided. In such cases, the EX60 is designed to protect everyone inside the car. The front structure is engineered to crumple in a controlled way, absorbing huge amounts of crash energy before it reaches the cabin. This sacrificial front zone may look heavily damaged after an impact, but it plays a critical role in protecting the passengers. At the center of the vehicle is a reinforced safety cage made with ultra-strong boron steel. This structure keeps the passenger compartment intact, even in severe crashes. At the same time, advanced restraints, including adaptive seatbelts and airbags, work together to reduce injury risks for both the driver and passengers. The result is a vehicle that not only tries to prevent accidents, but is also built to protect human life if the unthinkable happens. First, let's talk about how this SUV helps avoid hitting a person on the road, even at speed. The EX60 constantly scans its surroundings using a network of advanced sensors and cameras. These systems detect pedestrians, cyclists, and other road users in real time. If someone suddenly steps into the road, the car reacts faster than a human can. It can instantly warn the driver, tighten safety systems, and, if necessary, automatically apply emergency braking. This technology dramatically reduces the chance of a collision and helps protect the most vulnerable people on the road. Now, imagine a critical moment where braking is the only option. The EX60's intelligent braking system analyzes distance, speed, and road conditions in milliseconds. If the driver doesn't respond quickly enough, the vehicle automatically activates emergency braking with maximum force. The goal is simple: reduce speed as much as possible before impact or avoid it completely. Even when traveling at highway speeds, every meter of reduced stopping distance can mean the difference between a close call and a serious accident. And that's exactly what safety means in the world of Volvo.